Hello guys, I am Pelumi and I welcome you to the day 40 of the 100 days of technical analysis challenge. Okay, I think today is the first day I'll be talking about Bitcoin since this challenge started, okay? And I'm only talking about Bitcoin today because it spoiled yesterday's trade. Bitcoin went up from where? Let me check on the daily chart. It went up from about okay 9,500 to 10,200 $10,200. Okay, and it affected my analysis yesterday, so that's what I'm talking about Bitcoin today. Okay, yeah, I won't be doing much here. Okay, let me go back to the 4 hour time frame. Okay, this is quite big, so I think I prefer to use the daily chart for this analysis. But first, let me remove this. Okay, remove this. Okay, so sometime around June, I before then I drew this channel because I saw Bitcoin in an option channel, and sometime in June, early June, I saw Bitcoin creating a descending triangle, which it did. Okay, and the descending triangle broke out to the upside, which is here. Okay, broke out to the upside. Let me bring out the yeah, broke out to the outside. Now, Bitcoin tried to make it up to this point, but it couldn't break the resistance, so it came back down, and now it is forming something that looks like a pin bar. Okay, with this pin bar, I believe Bitcoin is still going to make a move upward. Okay, I believe Bitcoin is going to make a move upward. Okay, so let me go back to the daily chart to check for something. Okay, yeah, this is like a double bottom, but it is not very clear on the daily. I'm sure it will be clear on the 4 hour time frame. This is like a double bottom, broke here and came back. Okay, came back, and then price is currently here. So right now, what I expect price to do, expect price to break this resistance. Yeah, this resistance, I expect price to break it. And once price breaks it, I think the next bus stop is somewhere here, or the top of the channel. Okay, let me draw a rectangle here, somewhere here. I think that's the next bus stop. The moment BTC breaks this line. Okay, so that means this would be my TP. Okay, now so on the 4 hour chart, when would I take this trade? Okay, so this is coming. So let me see. Good. Okay, I'll take this trade if this pin bar forms correctly on this time frame. This is the 4 hour time frame. Okay, if this pin bar forms correctly, okay, this is what the pin bar looks like. Okay, that means the body is just about half of this week. Okay, so if this week is covered by the body, if the price drops down, coming, let me use an arrow for that. Okay, if the price drops to somewhere around here, it is no longer a week. Okay, I mean it is no longer a pin bar. You have a you have a bearish candlestick. Good. This is a better type of pin bar right now. It's about 2.5 and above. Okay, the wick is about 2.5 and above times bigger than the body. Okay, so if this is what I get after the remaining 1 hour, I would buy Bitcoin and hold for my TP, which is set at let me go back to there. My TP, which is set at somewhere between 10.5. Let me, oh, okay, yeah. Somewhere between 10.5 and 10.8, okay? Put my TP anywhere. But I think you should set it lower so it is easier to hit than putting large gap and then it comes back to hit your stop loss. Okay, so taking this trade, let's calculate loss profit percent. Okay, if you take this trade, okay, you have a gain of just 8.43% by the time it gets to TP. Okay, you have between 6 and 8.43. Okay, so if you are getting between 6 and 8.43, your risk shouldn't be more than 3%. Okay, so that's about where should that be? Okay, that should be around 9647. That's $9,647 as your stop loss, just in case it goes wrong. All right. Thank you for coming around for today's analysis. That would be all. See you tomorrow.